Today's Wednesday, August 18th. Hildebrand Machinery Company doing a video of our Mori Seiki engine lathe, stock number 16056. After the video, if there are any questions, please feel free to contact us. You can visit the website at hildebrandmachinery.com. You can call us through there, and all the contact information is through there. We are plugged in. Machine is wired 440 volts. That's the speed and feed chart. Gap bed section in the machine. The ways, that's lubrication oil there, so it's getting that. That's not scoring. Tailstock. Just needs a touch of oil on that, but it moves freely and smoothly. Yep, sorry, I'm going the wrong way. Clamp. Okay, operator's going to step in here. We'll start low speed, just walk our way through it. Hit the foot brake there. Foot brake works. What speed you in there?
That should be, that's 112, right? That's probably 112.
Looking at about 112 RPM there.
This that's probably 62. No, that's 82.
Okay, we have 82 there.
There's 62.
Sorry, I think it's kind of hard to follow the chart there. It's a little worn over here, so I think we're at 62 RPM there.
That says it's 82, so that other one must have been 160.
Okay, so we're looking at that's 82 there. Earlier when I said 82 is
This one should go that way.
probably not correct, but
That's fast. Let me reverse it. Let's see what 200. Alright. That was 62. Let's see.
I believe that's 32 maybe. Is that there?
Yeah, that might be.
That's probably 32 just so.
This should be 112. And this should be 160.
Sorry for the confusion here, but
160.
if you could see the pictures, they're a little hard to read.
This one gotta be in the middle.
shoring gear there.
Oh, okay. You got going. Yeah, this in here would be high gear. I see how they do.
Okay, now we just switched to high gear, so
Okay, this should be 510.
that'd be 510 RPM.
That's 1800.
Say again, what was that?
1800.
That would have been 1800 RPM right there.
This one. 510. This one.
That would,
This should be 1010.
that's 1010 RPM right there.
Well, that should be 285.
And that's 285.
And we did them all on this side. That one. I can tell this. Okay, this is the smaller. Smaller one should be up. Should be there. That's 32.
That'd be 32. That's a little hard to read, but I think we got all of them in the video here. Point is the headstock thing sounds pretty good. Come over here, we got all the feeds. Clutches are tight, no skipping.
Reverse it.
Just hit the reverse knob over on the headstock.
You got thread.
Thread chasing. Just gonna run it down there. The tailstock should know. Reversal direction. And feed kick out works. Crank the turret in. So overall, a nice machine. Like I said, if there was anything to say about it, that chart is a little hard to read to get your speeds right. But with a little practice, and you get it all down and get used to it. So if there are any questions after watching the video, please feel free to contact us. And thank you.